You think you know everything about potatoes and believe they're just unhealthy carbs that should be avoided at all costs. Well, prepare to have your mind completely blown, because today I'm going to reveal 7 scientifically backed reasons why potatoes are actually nutritional powerhouses that deserve a place on your plate, and by the end of this video you'll discover shocking truths about this humble vegetable that the health industry doesn't want you to know. The humble potato has been unfairly demonized in recent years, labeled as an unhealthy food that contributes to weight gain and various health problems. This negative reputation stems largely from how we prepare and consume potatoes, particularly when they're deep-fried or loaded with unhealthy toppings. However, the truth is that potatoes in their natural form are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. Throughout history, potatoes have been a dietary staple for countless civilizations, providing sustenance and nutrition to millions of people worldwide. The key to unlocking their health benefits lies not in avoiding them entirely, but in understanding how to prepare and consume them properly. Before we dive deeper into these incredible health benefits, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest health and nutrition content that could transform your well-being. Let's start with the first surprising benefit that most people don't know about potatoes. When you think of vitamin C, your mind probably goes straight to oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits. But here's something that might shock you. During most of the 20th century, potatoes were actually one of the primary sources of vitamin C in the British diet. A single small potato weighing approximately 150 grams contains about 15% of your daily recommended vitamin C intake. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in supporting your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and diseases. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Additionally, this vital nutrient is essential for the formation of connective tissue, which keeps your joints functioning properly and maintains the structural integrity of your teeth and gums. This is why vitamin C deficiency can lead to serious conditions like scurvy, which historically affected sailors on long voyages. Moving on to the second incredible benefit, potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin B6, a cofactor that your body absolutely needs to function optimally. This essential vitamin helps over 100 different enzymes in your body work correctly, particularly those involved in breaking down proteins. This protein breakdown process is crucial for proper nerve function, which is why vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to neurological problems. Research has also linked adequate vitamin B6 intake to improved mental health and cognitive function. A small potato provides approximately 1/4 of the daily recommended intake of vitamin B6 for adults, making it an incredibly efficient way to meet your nutritional needs. The third amazing benefit of potatoes lies in their impressive potassium content. Potassium is absolutely vital for regulating electrical signaling in your muscles and nerves, and maintaining proper levels is crucial for heart health. When potassium levels are too high or too low, it can actually prevent your heart from functioning properly, potentially leading to dangerous cardiac arrhythmias. Roasted, baked, and fried potatoes contain higher levels of potassium compared to boiled or mashed potatoes. A single baked potato with its skin contains approximately 1/3 of your daily recommended potassium intake. The reason boiled potatoes contain less potassium is that when you cut potatoes into pieces and boil them, about half of their potassium leaches into the cooking water. However, people with kidney disease should be cautious about their potassium intake, as their kidneys may not be able to properly eliminate excess potassium from their bodies. The fourth benefit involves choline, an essential nutrient that many people have never even heard of. Choline combines with fats to create phospholipids, which are the fundamental building blocks of cell walls throughout your body. This nutrient also helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that controls muscle contractions, dilates blood vessels, and regulates heart rate. Remarkably, potatoes contain the second highest levels of choline after high-protein foods like meat and soy products. Getting enough choline is absolutely vital for proper brain, nerve, and muscle health. Some people have genetic variations that make them more susceptible to choline deficiency, making dietary sources even more important. A baked potato with skin provides about 10% of your daily choline requirements. Choline is particularly crucial during pregnancy when the developing fetus is rapidly creating new cells and organs. The fifth extraordinary benefit relates to your gut health and microbiome. When you cook potatoes and then allow them to cool before eating, something amazing happens at the molecular level. This cooling process allows resistant starch to form, which is a special type of starch that provides incredible health benefits. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting a healthy microbiome. Unlike regular starch, resistant starch isn't digested in the upper part of your gastrointestinal tract. Instead, it travels to your colon where it's fermented by beneficial bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids that are similar to vinegar. These short-chain fatty acids nourish your intestinal cells and keep your gut healthy. They can also improve your metabolism by helping to reduce blood fat and sugar levels. Combined with their high fiber content and low fat levels, boiled or steamed potatoes become low-calorie, nutrient-dense, and incredibly satisfying foods. The sixth benefit is particularly important for people with dietary restrictions. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free, making them an excellent option for people with celiac disease or those who need to avoid gluten for other health reasons. This also applies to sweet potatoes, which have a lower glycemic index, meaning they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This characteristic can help with weight control and appetite management. However, sweet potatoes are slightly higher in calories and carbohydrates compared to regular potatoes, though they do contain more beta-carotene, which is a form of vitamin A. The seventh and final benefit might surprise you the most. Many people avoid potatoes because they fear weight gain, but a typical boiled potato contains only about 130 calories, which is actually fewer calories than a banana of the same size. The key to maintaining potatoes' health benefits lies in how you prepare and consume them. Boiling or steaming potatoes, possibly followed by cooling to increase resistant starch content, is the best way to keep calories low per gram. Baking increases calories per gram due to water loss, as does mashing with butter or cream. The least healthy way to consume potatoes is in the form of French fries or chips, as they absorb oil like a sponge, dramatically increasing their calorie content. You should also avoid green potatoes, which produce a toxin that can irritate your intestines. This happens when potatoes are stored in bright light conditions. For most people, including potatoes as part of a healthy and varied diet is an excellent nutritional choice. Beyond their health benefits, potatoes also offer environmental advantages. Potato production requires less water than rice cultivation and generates fewer greenhouse gases than both rice and wheat production. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more eye-opening health content.